Welcome back. You might be wondering why you should enable voice isolation on iPhone for high sound quality on calls. If you didn't know, voice isolation is Apple's noise reduction feature. And if you're using AirPods or another set of best wireless headphones, they'll have had equally as much money put into developing their mics. Isn't that enough to ensure high sound quality on calls? No. This is why targeted noise reduction software is so important. In this video, I'm gonna show how to enable voice isolation on the iPhone and increase the quality of your calls. So stick till the end, and those who are watching, make sure to subscribe for more tech updates. Let's begin. Voice isolation on iOS 15 is a neat little feature that, when enabled, removes unwanted noise frequencies from a call, thereby isolating the sound of your voice to raise the audio quality of your conversation. Note that voice isolation currently works only for calls made over FaceTime, both video and audio only, but we hope Apple opens this feature up to regular calls. So without any delay, here's how to enable voice isolation on iPhone. Initially, open the FaceTime app. But you don't need to start a call. Next, pull down from the top of the screen to open Control Center. Then, tap the microphone icon to open the mic mode settings, then select voice isolation. Alternatively, select wide spectrum from the mic mode menu to allow your iPhone to pick up and prioritize background sounds. With this feature, you can make your voice sound better on calls. Was this video useful? If yes, comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.